With in-person commencements still very much in question, it's more important than ever to find ways to create a meaningful and memorable graduation experience. Personalized commencement videos allow you to safely deliver powerful, personalized messages to congratulate and inspire your new graduates. Our personalized commencement videos are carefully crafted stories, delivered with cinematic feel and personalized for each recipient. We work with your school to develop a compelling message, one that captures the pride and excitement of this important day. Then, we coordinate delivery to amplify your day of commencement plans. Whether it's a special announcement to drive virtual attendance or a creative reveal of each graduate's diploma, personalized with their name and degree. They're the perfect complement to a scaled-down, socially distant, or completely virtual commencement, adding a major wow factor and providing a great way for grads to proudly share their accomplishment with friends and family. And they don't have to eat up your time or budget. We can develop entirely from existing video assets, reducing time and cost with no need to come to campus. Make this year's graduation one to remember with personalized commencement videos. Contact us today to learn more about pricing and next steps.